Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account so your identity and rewards history load. Once done, check your rewards balance and any pending credits, because you need enough points or funds to redeem. Next, locate the gift card code, scratch or email, and keep billing details nearby if you plan to add funds to your account. This avoids interruptions. It speeds redemption and prevents temporary holds when Microsoft verifies purchases or applies balances. You now redeem the code on the Microsoft Redeem page or through the Microsoft Store. Carefully type the gift card code. Versus 0 mistakes are common, so the system accepts it instantly. Then choose where to apply the credit: Microsoft account balance, Xbox wallet, or specific product checkout, because destination affects availability and taxes. After selecting, review the final amount and payment method, then confirm. This is the point where charges or point. Finish by completing the purchase or verifying the updated wallet balance, and save the confirmation ID or receipt so you can track the transaction. If the code fails, first recheck the format and character mistakes, then try another browser or device, because cached sessions sometimes block redemptions. If that still fails, contact Microsoft support with the code, order ID, and screenshots. Finally, if you hit region or currency errors, confirm your account region and request a refund or assisted conversion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.